Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an account on cPanel. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on the cPanel main page, and I'll be showing you guys how you can sign up from here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on sign in the top right, and that's going to take us over to the login page. As you can see, you need to continue with cPanel ID. And once we do that, here you can click create an account, and once you fill out all of this information, your account will be created. However, that is for the cPanel service. To actually purchase a subscription and everything, to actually create an account within cPanel, which you can use to operate your website, you're going to need to do things a bit differently. You're going to install cPanel and the web host manager on your system, and then once you do that, you're going to need to go into the create account section. So just go to the manager, go to home, account functions, and create a new account. And as you can see from here, the main settings that must be input are the domain, username, password, and email. And once you complete that, you need to make sure that all these settings are correct. Click the create button to make the account, and that's pretty much it. Now, I'm pretty sure you cannot use the information that you create here. You might be able to, however, not 100% sure. I'm not sure if there are going to be any complications if you use the same info from here there as well. However, they should be separate, and you should be good to use them. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.